Namaste, hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore a quick flow for lower body, core and shoulder strength to support us in a peak pose, which is bird of paradise. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will come sitting down for our breath work first, just to bring ourselves completely on the mat, to bring all our focus and awareness here. We will do Bhastrika, that is bellows breath. For this breath work, I would recommend that you come in diamond pose or Vajrasan. So your hips are above your heels, thumbs are joining. If this is very difficult for you, in that case you can be in a comfortable seated position. We will roll our hands into fists, fists by our shoulders, elbows close to our body. We inhale forcefully and we exhale forcefully. Like this, we do a few rounds, and this is a bellows breath. Please don't do it if you are full in your stomach. You should be very, very light on your stomach and even preferably empty stomach. If you have dizziness, hypertension, blood pressure issues, if you have had surgery in this area, or if you suffer migraine, don't do this. Refrain from it, and you can just do deep breathing or alternate nostril breathing. But if you can, then let's get started. Fists by the shoulders, elbows by our body. Let's start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let's do a few rounds on our own. And relax. Palms on your lap, facing up towards the sky or the ceiling. Deep breathing in and out. And whenever you feel complete, let's relax and come on all fours. So we are on our wrists and our knees and feet. Let's make circles over our wrists, 3 circles in each direction. And reverse the direction. Basically just waking up our wrists, our arms. Let's come in downward dog. Press with your hands into the floor and similarly try to press those heels into the ground. If you can't touch those heels, see if you lift up one leg, if the other foot can go deeper. Similarly, lift the other foot and see if the first foot can dig in deeper. Now try doing with both the feet. Press with feet and hands, sending your chest towards your thighs. And relax. Bring your right foot outside the right hand. Come forward in deep lunge. And let's pulse over here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's straighten the right knee for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come forward and then straighten. Come forward and then straighten. One last time, come forward and then straighten. Take the right foot back. Left foot comes forward. We will come in deep lunge forward and pulse here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Straighten the left knee. We will be here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Great job. Come forward and straighten. Come forward and straighten. One more time, come forward and straighten. Take the left foot behind. Bring the right foot outside the right hand again. We will do 5 push-ups here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right foot steps behind. Left foot comes forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left foot steps behind. Down dog, 3 deep breaths. Inhale, right leg lifts. Make 3 big circles, as big as you can. And reverse the direction. And relax the right foot. Left foot lifts up, left leg lifts up, 3 circles. Big circles, using every muscle of your hips and thighs. Reverse the direction. And relax your knees on the floor. Let's come in an extended child's pose. You can space out your knees and come forward. Deep stretch for your shoulders and your chest. Trying to touch the chest and the chin on the floor. And relax. Let's come up. Our knees are hip width apart. Feet right behind our knees. Inhale, right arm comes up. Exhale, right hand to right heel. Inhale, left arm comes up. Exhale, left hand to left heel. Push your thighs forward, hips forward. Push your chest up. Camel pose. And relax. Let's come in Malasana. Deep squat. Our upper arms tied inside our thighs. You can sway from side to side, front and back. Play with your position. We will be here for 2 to 3 deep breaths. Working these poses to open up our thighs, hamstrings, hip joints so that we are better prepared for our peak pose. And let's come up. We will spread our feet 3 to 3.5 feet apart. The feet are slightly pointing inward, maybe 10 degrees. Inhale, straighten the spine, hold your waist, and with an exhale, push your hips back. Start coming forward, trying to maintain those knees straight, or maybe even a micro bend is okay. And pulse over here, working those hamstrings. If you can put your hands on the floor, you can put your hands on yoga blocks. Wherever you're comfortable, let's keep pulsing from the hips and working on those hamstrings. See if you can rest your head down on the floor. Pulling your kneecaps up to engage those thighs and hamstrings. 3 deep breaths here. Inhale, come up. Let us come in side lunge on the right side. Let's be here for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Let's come onto the left side. We'll be here for 5, for 4, for 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now, let's come standing up. We will place our right foot outside along the long side of the mat. Left foot the same way as it was before, perpendicular to the right foot and 10 degrees inwards. Inhale, make the knee bent. Maybe see if you can make it parallel to the floor. We will come in warrior 1. You can increase the distance between your feet if you are able to make your right thigh parallel to the floor. Make sure to have the right knee right above the right ankle. Right lower arm either rests on the thigh or outside the right foot. Left bicep by the ear, elbow straight. Look at the right palm. Left palm, sorry. Look at the left palm. And relax. You will do the same thing on the other side. Left foot faces out. Right foot is perpendicular. Let's enter in warrior one. Left thigh is parallel to the floor as far as possible. Look towards the thumbs. Stretch those arms up. Left hand outside the left foot or left lower arm on top of left thigh. Look at the right palm. And relax. Come up. So far, so good. We will get ready for our peak pose now. We have roughly similar setup. Both feet 3 to 3.5 feet apart. Right foot pointing outwards. Left foot perpendicular to the right foot and slightly inward. Let us make the right thigh parallel to the floor as much as possible. Right hand on the floor or maybe on a yoga block, does not matter. I take my right arm under the right thigh and it goes behind my right hip. So let me show from this orientation, and from here I hold my left hand and I will be here for 5, for 4, for 3, 2, 1. Good job. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Left foot outside, right foot inward. Make the left thigh parallel to the floor as much as you can. Left arm comes from under the left thigh, holds the right hand. We will be here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Come up. Let's shake those legs. Good job. Let's do one more final piece to strengthen and awaken those hamstrings, and then let's flow into the final pose. So my feet are hip width apart. Inhale, straighten the spine. Exhale, push those hips back. Micro bend in the knees and otherwise quite straight. Start pulsing here, hinging from the hips. You can put your hands on the floor or on yoga blocks, whatever suits you today. And then you can grab the ankles and go deeper into the pose. And relax. Let's come up. Let us set up for the final pose. We will have set up our feet, right foot along the longer side of the mat, left foot perpendicular and facing inward. Bend the right knee. Take the right hand from under the right thigh. Right hand grabs the left hand. Bring the left foot close as much as you can. With this, now let's start bringing the right foot up. It might take a few chances, turns, which is fine. And then when you come up, you straighten the right leg. Trying to look at a fixed point for better balance and stability. And relax. So if you're still here working on the pose, it's okay, you can pause the video and try it a little more. It takes a few turns, a few times to get it. You have put in all the work. Trust yourself, pause it and work with it. But if you are done playing on the right side, let's come on the left side. Setting up the left foot, facing along the Longer side of mat, right foot slightly inward. Taking the left arm from under left thigh, right hand from behind. Bring the right foot closer. The left foot starts lifting off the floor. Straighten the left knee. Stare at a fixed point for stability. And relax. And let's come sitting down. We will do a twist for the completeness of the sequence. Toes pulling in, right knee bends, right arm goes up and the right hand is behind the right hip. Left arm goes up, left elbow hooks outside the right thigh. See how far down you can slide it. Look behind the right shoulder. 2 deep breaths here. Great job. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Right leg stretches straight, left knee bends. Inhale, left arm goes up. Exhale, left hand behind left hip. Helps to straighten up the spine. Inhale, right arm goes up. Exhale, right elbow outside. Left thigh. Look behind left shoulder. The right toes are still pulling in. 2 deep breaths here. And relax. Let's come lying down. Bend both the knees. Bring them close to the chest and grab the legs with your arms. Inhale. Exhale, bring your nose and forehead close to the knees. And relax. Straighten out those legs. Bend the right knee. Drop your right leg towards the left side of the body. Stretch open your right arm. Look towards the right palm. Dancing Shiva pose, Natarajasana. Same thing on the other side. Left leg drops towards the right side of the body. Left arm stretches open. Look towards the left palm. And relax. Roll over to the right side of the body. With the support of the left hand, come sitting up. Comfortable seated position. Cross-legged lotus, whatever suits you today. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. We will do alternate nostril breathing. Cover the right nostril. Inhale from left. Cover the left nostril. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Cover the right nostril. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Cover the left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Cover the right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left and do few more rounds on your own. And whenever you exhale from left, relax. Both the palms on the lap facing upward. Observe the silence and the quiet in the mind. And with a smile on the face, let's gently open our eyes. I would highly recommend you to follow this practice with the meditation practice. I'll link it right in the description box. Guided meditations are wonderful. That's what I link in the description box also. What is even better is to build your own meditation practice. So, things like Sudarshan Kriya, sky breath meditation, or Sahaj Samadhi meditation are excellent tools to progress not just in your physical health, your mental health, your spiritual health, your overall personality. I link them right in the description box below. Please comment and ask any questions if you have. Otherwise, do let me know how you like this practice. If you want any new videos to come out, let me know what are you looking forward to. Other than that, do not forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons. See you soon. Namaste.